doing well. Today I did a model of the air blast load or explosion near the timber wood beam reinforced with CFRP as a top layer. Between the CFRP and wood we use cohesive surface interaction as a stiffness, damage and evolution of the energy, and also between two layers of the wood. So let me to click on this and click on animate to check the blast wave. You can see the separation between the part during the blast load here. Let me check it in this view, and also let me use 1 for this to have a better view. 3. Okay, click on animate. You can see the separation, and let me to make this 1. It is okay. You can see the separation during the impact load of the blast wave. And now let me to replace just the CFRP. This is CFRP plate as a reinforcement. Let me check the damage for this. The damage for the matrix here. The tension damage for the matrix. Compression damage for the matrix and tension damage. Here it is failed completely, you can see, because the maximum value 1 is reached and it is more than that. Also the other parameters and other new damage in the new version in Abaqus. So let me replace it with Tessai Hill, because we use fail stress criterion also. And now let me replace the two timber beam wood. You can see the separation here between two layers, the stress. Plastic strain, stress or anything. Also we can request the reaction force, save as sum and plot for this analysis. This is the reaction force diagram. Okay, so if you need anything of this simulation, like the result for the damage, stress, I don't know, strain, displacement, force, anything, you can get it. In this tutorial you will learn modeling the CFRP with damage in the elastic limit and also Hashing damage criterion, the wood modeling based on a paper with elastic engineering and the plastic model, and also the cohesive or cohesion between the wood layer, CFRP wood layer. So if you need this tutorial, just come to our website here, www.abaqusfm.com, find the English tutorial here, click on the title, then you will have the explanation about the geometry, process, material method, step interaction load, and the result as figures here. The cost for this tutorial contains CAI English video and paper is 26 euros. You can use a PayPal account, Master or Visa card. Before payment, send an email to this address. Then I will tell you about the purchasing process, and also I will answer your question here. Thank you for your attention.